Retail enters on signals. Smart money enters on confirmations. Today, I'll show you the exact structure you need before entering any trade, and how to time it like a fund. Welcome back to Smart Sense. This is Class 4 of Smart Money 2.0, and today, we move from theory to structure-based execution. I'm going to break down three institutional entry models based on smart money concepts, built for traders who want to stop guessing and start executing with precision. Structure confirmed entry model number 1. Liquidity sweep plus change of character this model thrives on. Price runs into a liquidity pool, triggers stop hunts or fake breakouts. Immediately fails and shifts structure. Change of character confirmation. Boss on lower time frame plus refined OB entry. Entry comes on the retest of the new OB zone inside the chalk structure. This is how smart money collects stops, then enters with engineered intent. Entry model number 2. Order block retest after high volume breakout institutional setup. Price creates strong impulse from an OB break structure with momentum returns. Not to the center of the OB, but to the volume weighted edge. Confirm with internal chalk SMC style trap microboss on LTF entry. After price retests rejection inside the refined mitigation zone, often used post FOMC, CPI or major session opens entry model number 3. Breaker block plus flip zone trap. This is the continuation model smart money uses to layer into positions. A new OB forms, price breaks below OB, then reclaims it. Structure flips, plus BOS, plus internal retests. Now this breaker block becomes your entry model, perfect for scalping, continuation trend trades.
Out.
Momentum-based breakout traps. Entry trigger. After flip zone, reclaim boss above internal breaker entry confirmation checklist. Use this entry checklist to stay disciplined. Liquidity zone swept. Chalk confirmed. BOS confirmed in direction. Valid OB. Flip zone marked. Trade aligns with HTF bias. If not all 3 to 4 are present, gives you weight. Smart traders are paid to react, not predict. If you've ever hit, entry gives reversal, gives stop loss. Class 4 is your antidote. You now have structured confirmed entry models used by real institutions. Like, subscribe. Let me teach you how to apply this model to prop firm strategies next in Class 5. Designed for funded trader precision.